Hi, this is Professor Lucky. Welcome to my channel and thank you for dropping by. I truly appreciate your support. Applying critical thinking techniques. Most students become frustrated with math because they don't know the first step to take. Critical thinking is the foundation of problem solving. It must be applied before entering a math problem and to achieve optimal outcome. Mathematician George Paya created the 4 steps to problem solving in mathematics. Now, let's explore a basic element of geometry. Question: what are the characteristics or attributes of a point? Step 1. Read and understand the question. What is the problem asking? The problem is asking for comprehension and background knowledge. So, what do I know about a point? I know that a point is shaped like a dot. I also know that I can move a point and it will create a line. Once a student connects that a point makes a line, that is concept. Conceptual knowledge is developmental activities which builds on prior knowledge and create foundational understanding of a math problem. A point is a position or location. A point does not have size. A point does not have dimension. A point forms a line as it continues. A line is infinite. Concept: the arrow on a line. If you notice here, the line indicates infinity. This is concept. Step 2. Make a plan. Determine the correct operation that you should apply to the problem. Cross out extra information that is not necessary to solve the problem. Also, don't forget to highlight or underline context clues in a problem. So when we're talking about finding the attributes of a point, remember that in this case it does not require any of the 4 operations to subtract, add, multiply, or divide, but it does require identifying procedural and application knowledge. Procedural knowledge are the skills, rules, and symbols of a problem. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for further notification. So just remember that math is a language. Defining key phrases and understanding symbols in a question is key to problem solving. We are able to identify the symbol of a point. We know that point A equals point A. We know that B equals point B. These are the symbols in identifying a point. So what represents a line? Let's explore further. What are some other attributes that we must know to show the relationship of lines? Well, we know that a line can be infinite, which has no end, or a line can be finite, where it stops at a certain point. Each are represented with symbols and or letters. So once you get to step 3, you want to execute your plan. Here you're going to use strategies. You can draw a picture, write an equation, make a diagram. You can even make a list or work backwards. There's many strategies that you can use here. Identify the plan to solve the problem. A point can move and create a line in 3 different directions. Horizontally, which goes across, vertically, which goes up and down, and diagonally. Think of a square and making an X inside of the square. That's a diagonal line. So the movement of a line is plane. Remember that a plane is a flat surface that is 2-dimensional and extends. So the concept in the chart is for students to make the connection from point to line to plane, along with their properties. This is application knowledge which applies understanding and relationship of a problem. Hi, again, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for further notification. Again, thank you for supporting my channel. So step 4, check your answer. Check the solution. Does it make sense? Go back and make sure that there are no errors in setting up the problem and or solution. Sometimes students rush through a problem and don't take the time to double check. So always double check. Understand that students need to know 3 types of knowledge here. 1, conceptual knowledge, which is developmental. Procedural knowledge, where your skills, rules, and symbols lie. And then the application knowledge, where you apply what you have learned. In rote learning, by rudimentary processes, concept is often not taught and or learned, and as a result, students may depend solely on rules and keywords. There is no one size fits all, and people see math differently. The conceptualization of mathematics is consistent. So now, what have we learned about a point? We learned that a point is a position or location that does not have size or dimension. We also learned that a point forms a line as it continues. The arrow on a line indicates infinity. This is concept. My time is up. Thank you for yours.